Hello and welcome to another fun class with Mrs. Tessie. As the term, or rather as the trimester gradually draws near, we come to the last topic, which is elements in the periodic table. Elements in the periodic table. This topic, as usual, promises to be fun because you'll be exposed to new and exciting concepts in our chemistry class. So let's get started. If you are ready, I am ready. We'll learn the meaning of elements, some examples of elements. Of course, we know we have quite a number, but we'll learn just a few. We'll learn what a chemical symbol is, and then we'll learn finally the first 20 elements of the periodic table with a song. Now, what is an element? It is the smallest piece of matter that can represent it in a chemical reaction. You've been told this over and over again. Okay? And now they are represented by chemical symbols. Symbols are letters of the alphabets. And these symbols are gotten from the Latin names of these elements. So a chemical symbol is used to represent elements. For example, hydrogen. If you don't want to spell hydrogen, you can just write a capital letter H, as you discover later. So this is the list of the first 20 elements of the periodic table. We have hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, and calcium. So this is a list of the first 20 elements, and we'll be learning this with a song. I'll be teaching you a very short song to help you remember these first 20 elements. Here, the elements are represented by their symbols. So just in the order I listed them out just now, that is how I'm listing it out here again. Hydrogen being the first, represented by H, helium He, lithium Li, beryllium Be, boron B, carbon C, nitrogen N, oxygen O, capital letter O, I hope you're taking note, fluorine F, neon Ne, sodium Na, magnesium Mg, not Ma, right? Aluminium Al. If you notice, the A is capital letter A and the L is a small letter L. Silicon Si in the same order. Then phosphorus P, sulfur S, chlorine Cl, not Ch, argon Ar, potassium K, not P. Are you taking note? Then finally calcium Ca. So now let's learn the song. You know this popular church song? Pardon my voice. I'm not a good singer, right? But try to go just flow with the tide. This popular song, on the mountain, down the valley, on the land, and in the sea. Yes, it's a church song. So that's the pattern we'll be using to learn these elements. Now, listen. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, and nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, and calcium. That's short and quite easy, isn't it? So should we go over it again? Okay, let's do a higher pitch this time. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, and nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, and Caution, we can say the Lord is good forevermore. Okay, so this is a list of the first 20 elements of the periodic table. I hope that you enjoyed learning that song and learning the elements as well. Until our next class, this is me saying thank you and goodbye.